welcome everybody to another Hans Hobby video. Today we'll be unboxing these really cool Happy Socks. Iris, would you like to say where they're from?
Okay, if you guys see my outfit, try to guess mine. They are Hello Kitty and Friends. If you guess them in the comments, alright? Alright, let's get unboxing.
So these are Happy Socks from, what was it called again, Iris?
From Camden.
Okay, Camden Market Park. Yeah, Camden Market Park. Okay, I'll go first because this is...
This video?
Yeah. So first, we got these socks. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Now we got these socks. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Little astronaut boy. You see that? Okay, and then I saved the best for last. These ones. They are very colorful and full of life.
Okay, guys. Now my brother already showed his, so now it's time to show mine. Remember, you guys guessed it. It's Hello Kitty and Friends. If you guys guessed, but first you gotta pause this video before I say it. Because if you see my outfit right here, I'm Hello Kitty, of course. So you gotta guess it. And if you guys guessed it, then we might do a giveaway soon.
No, we're not.
Okay, we not. Okay.
We are in another continent.
Okay, sorry guys about that. Okay, let's go open it. Hello
And
Kitty
this
and
is a hint to my-
Friends. Oh, see. Okay, guys.
That was a little sneak peek to my future next video.
Okay, first I got these cloudy socks. And she's right now on a cloud. Hello Kitty. My favorite girly. Okay, also my brother can say something before I show my socks.
I think it's I think that is very cool, and that's a hint to my next video, guys.
Okay, guys. So remember, hear his message before I open these. Okay, and then next is polka dots. Ooh, cutie. Also, guys, we went to. If you guys know that, like, if you live in London and you speak British, then maybe go watch this video, and maybe you went to Happy Socks before. So if you guys went there, that is so cool. Okay,
Like the video if you've been to Europe.
I mean, if you went to London, and also guys, we're right now in London, and we already went to Try to Guess, guys. Okay, remember to pause this video before guessing. I mean, like, before I say the message. Okay, and we went to Paris and England. If you guys guessed that, then I don't know.
You
but
should
guys
subscribe if you got the guess right.
Yeah, just subscribe if you guys got both of the guesses right. And also, you guys better subscribe to both of our channels. But I kind of have a lot of subscribers, so you should be subscribed to my brother. If you guys saw that I said subscribe to my brother, Hans Hobbies. Okay.
It should be posted on this, so definitely subscribe down below, like over there.
All right. Also, right here, guys, right here. Press that button. Okay. And
Decide to write that.
And guys, we're gonna show it at the end of the video to subscribe. All right, guys. All right. Bye, everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this opening socks from Happy Socks. Hello Kitty. If the person that was from Happy Socks saw this video, then you guys have to comment and be like, "Hi, Happy Socks." Be like that, okay?
And by the way, if you are watching this, you make great socks.
Yeah. If you're watching this, you make good socks, and we like them. So yeah. Bye, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Bye.
And yeah. Remember, we're gonna show it right here at the end of the video. Also, guys, comment and like who's better. Okay. Bye, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Bye.
And yeah. Bye.